Hi, this is a demonstration of how to create a class roster on a Google Sheet using the information that's found in Aspire. First, log into your Nebo School District Aspire account and click on Reports on the upper part of the screen. And then you're going to select the type of report. Going to select Class Roster and then select the school and the teacher. And I'm going to collect the student email address, so I need to check student email. And instead of creating this in Adobe Acrobat, I'm going to generate the report as an Excel spreadsheet and click Generate Report. It's asking me where I want to save the report. I'm going to save it on my desktop so I can find it again, or this might by default go to your download folder. Just be aware of where your computer is saving that file. Even though it says it's still generating the report, I can tell down here that it's already downloaded to Chrome, so don't wait forever for this to stop spinning, because it won't. Now I'm going to go to my drive. I'm going to upload that Excel file to Google Drive by clicking New and then File Upload. I'll find that class roster report on my desktop or wherever I saved it. Click Open, and that Excel file is being uploaded to Drive. I'm going to click on it, and I will be able to view that roster in, this is called the Google Viewer. I'm not quite in Google Drive yet, just had this black background. So I'm going to say Open with Google Sheets, and it's going to convert that Excel spreadsheet into a Google Sheet. So I don't even have to have Excel on my computer. I've just downloaded an Excel file and converted it to a Google Sheet. Need to do a few things with this sheet to make it a little more readable. I think the easiest way to do this is to create a whole new sheet. Here's sheet 2 right here. And I'm going to first copy and paste all the names. Onto that new sheet. Then I'm going to go back and copy just the email addresses and paste those into sheet 2. I can come back and fix this up, but first I'm just going to delete that first sheet just by clicking on the arrow next to class roster and hitting delete. So now I just have this one sheet to work with, and it just has the information that I want. Two more things that I need to do. Notice that these first and last names are in the same cell and they're merged across, they're in the same column and they're moved. First thing that I want to, now I'm going to clean up the spreadsheet a little bit. Notice that I have students by their last name, comma, first name, and that information is merged across columns A and B. And then also their email is merged across columns C through I. So I'm going to run a little tool here to separate their first and last names. And since I already have column B open, it should just put into column B for me. So I select column A and go to Data and go Split Text to Columns. And that separated my first and last name very nicely for me. And now I'm just going to unmerge these columns by selecting columns C through I and going to my Merge tool and selecting Unmerge. If I double click on this line between column C and D, it will resize that column for me so that the emails fit right in. And now I have a class roster for this class. I can go up and rename the class if I want to. That can be used for a lot of different ways to manage a class. Thank you.